Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce unbox review special head unit for Mazda CX-9 27 to 2016 years. Okay, here's box. Let me open the box. You can check head units with good condition. These two screws, please take out these two screws before using. Okay. Let me take out the unit. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. You can check this harness with special harness with canvas box. Okay. This is radio antenna, radio port. Okay. This is special harness from Mazda. Okay. It comes with the remote controller. GPS antenna. Okay. External microphone and two USB cable. This connector connects back to head units and external microphone. The USB, two USB cable. Okay, this is front mini USB cable. This camera input, RCA tag. Okay, let me show this audio cable. This connector connect back overhead units, and this subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. This is audio cable front and rear, left and right. Okay. This is AUX. Okay, you can check this AUX input L left. This is input right, left and right. AUX input left and right. Okay. This cable for a video inputs. Okay. AUX left and right. Okay, let me show the head unit. Let me take out this screen protector. It's plastic. Okay, you can check. This is drive agent. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. The button lights will on. Okay. Okay, let me show. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay. You can check this volume button and SD card, USB, GPS card, and USB mini front port, microphone, IR DVD slot. Okay, you can install the wallpaper. Okay, already installed. Very fast response. It's running PX5 rack chip. It's home button. Okay, back to home. Let me show the settings. You can check model is PX5. Android version is 8.0 oreo. Okay. You also can change this button color with car settings. Sorry, it doesn't support it. And it's built in Google Maps and Google Play Store, already built in, and built in the Wi-Fi. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Thank you.